Hey guys, how much yield can you expect from a single pepper wine per year? It depends. Just I'm gonna just tell you it depends on a lot of factors. Number one is the height of the plant, the variety of the plant, the amount of the care that you have taken for each plant. It depends on a lot of things. It's not just one thing. Or I have this much wine, I should get this yield. So it depends on a lot of things. So let's get started then. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And in this channel I'm going to be talking about how to improve your pepper farm, and what are the things that you should know before you start a pepper farm, and how much you earn as a pepper farmer, and all the things related to pepper farming. Let's get started. um, if you have a vine that's around 30 feet to 40 feet, you can expect around 10 to 15 kg of dry peppers from each vine. If your vine is around 20 feet and below 20 feet, then you can expect around 8 kg 7 kg of dry peppers from each vine. And if your pepper vines are a little bit smaller like this, you can expect around 100 grams to 200 grams per vine. So, and not only these things, the height of the plant and all those things matters, but what matters is that um, the variety of the plant also matters, because the majority of the pepper vines that we have is pepper Panur 1. There are a lot of varieties like Panur 1, Panur 2, Panur 3, and it goes to Panur 8 as well. And we have Tevam, Karimunda, and we have Tekan pepper. We have Shubakari, Srigari, and all. Like, there are about 30 to 30 varieties of pepper wines in the market. But as of I know, Panur 1 is the best. It gives high yield. It is a high yielding variety. If you are considering starting a new pepper farm, then you should plant maximum amount of Panur 1, because it's the high yielding variety. And another thing that matters the most is how you take care of your vines. Like regular things, you take care of all the things in your home and stuff like that. Pepper vines and all the things that you grow should be taken care properly. So what I mean taken care, it's not like it's not a pet to do petty things, not petty things, petty things that you do, like in order to take care of your dog or something like that. So like that, pepper farming, pepper vines in general are very delicate. They are very hard to maintain as well. So there are things that you should do in order to improve your pepper farm. Like, the yield depends on how much input you are putting into your farm, the amount of water that you are giving, the amount of sunlight that you are giving, the amount of nutrients that you are giving. It depends on a lot of things. And if your pepper vines have given huge amount of pepper last year, then they are going to be in stress, and they are not going to give you the exact amount of peppers that they have given in the previous year. So the care should be taken in order to maintain them, so that they give us the average amount of yield year on year. It's not like you got around 10 kg from a plant, and next year it's going to give you 2 kg. That's not proper maintenance. If you are going to do a proper maintenance, then you should get, if last time if you got around 10 kg of peppers from a single vine, then next year you should get around 8 kg or 7 kg of dry peppers from each plant. So that's the when if you consider the average of 2 years, then it will come around 9 kg per vine. That's a good way to maintain your farm. So as I've told, maintaining pepper is hard, and getting yield year on year in an average basis, uh, all the things are mattered, like sunlight, water, nutrients, and the care should be taken in order to keep your vines healthy, because pepper get a lot of disease and it has a lot of pests as well. So it depends on a lot of things. So I hope you like this video. If you found any value in this video, then make sure you subscribe and smash that thumbs up button and do all the things that you should do. And I have a video on how to prevent Anthraquinose disease before it comes. You should watch it before it comes. You have to do that spray, right? So watch that video and see you in the next one.